Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, we'll be discussing the best non-stick cookware of 2022. All the links to the products are given in the description below. So without further ado, let's jump straight into the video. You can't constantly assess a pot or pan by its appearance, but as soon as we took up the sauté pan from this set, we knew we were in for a treat. This cookware is made of sturdy, hard-anodized aluminum. This isn't your cheap, 1 year and done set. It's constructed to last, and you can tell immediately. It includes a 10-inch omelet pan, a 12-inch omelet pan, a 2-quart lidded saucepan, a 3-quart lidded saucepan, a 3-quart lidded sauté pan, and an 8-quart lidded stockpot. Unfortunately, there are no aesthetic options for this set, and it's only available in black, which looks more gray. The hard-anodized aluminum pots and pans in this Calphalon set have brushed stainless steel handles and tempered glass lids. The cookware is quite durable, however, it weighs almost too much for the cabinets in our kitchen. The pots and pans in this set's non-stick interior are PFOA free and maintain their non-stick coating over time. Dishwasher-safe pots, pans, and lids are available. Given that food doesn't adhere to the surface of these non-stick pots and pans, hand washing them is also a breeze. This Calphalon cookware maintains an equal temperature and heats up rapidly. The lids and pots are also oven safe, up to 450 degrees and 500 degrees respectively. These pan sides are shallow enough to make it simple to transfer food from the pan to a platter. The T-fal logo is imprinted on the bottom, and the bases and rims are made entirely of bare aluminum, so scratching is not an issue. The offset plastic handles are ergonomic and have the T-fal logo imprinted, albeit not as substantial as a metal handle. The possibility of burning your hands when attempting to hold a handle is also eliminated by plastic. These aluminum pans are lightweight and perfect for people who have trouble handling heavy items, like cast iron skillets. If your electric burners are out of balance, these pans won't make as strong of a connection as more severe options, but their ribbed bases keep them from slipping. These inexpensive non-stick pans may not withstand high heat and can't resist being scraped with metal utensils, unlike more scratch-resistant non-stick pans like T-fal's Professional series. The thinner aluminum may be prone to warping if you frequently cook at high temperatures, and they are only oven safe up to 350 degrees. Cast iron or stainless steel pans require a lot of greases to prevent eggs from sticking, but the T-fal pans produce picture-perfect eggs with little to no sticking, using only a tiny amount of cooking oil. Similarly, we discovered that flipping pancakes were simple and only needed a small amount of oil, while we were cooking meats like bacon, sausage, and starchy vegetables didn't stick. With its rough, pebbly gray appearance and handles that have shiny and matte surfaces, this set looks far more excellent than I anticipated it would for the price. The interior closely resembles the exterior in terms of color and texture. It isn't as rough, but also isn't entirely smooth. The interior offers a hint of gliz, without being tacky. Large casseroles or baked pasta dishes would be ideal for preparing in a large sauté pan, but these dishes aren't attractive enough to serve, other than at informal family gatherings. The pots all have rounded, ergonomic handles, and they all seem well balanced, making them easy to use when cooking. Each handle has a sizable hole at the end, making hanging from any hook simple. The Ninja name is etched into the shiny area of the handle close to the pot's bodies, and the handles are riveted for security. The glass lids include metal loop grips on the top and a metal rim around the outside that is stamped with the Ninja name. It is convenient to have that branding for people who own many pieces of cookware from various brands, so that lids can match pots. Because the lids lack a steam vent, whatever steam that does escape collects around the pot's rim. The All-Clad B1 hard-anodized nonstick fry pan set, 8-inch and 10-inch, is an excellent option if you want to own more than one pan. The heavy-gauge, hard-anodized aluminum pans equally cook delicate dishes, and a $130 tri-ply nonstick skillet by heating, although slowly. Their bonded steel base doesn't heat as uniformly as the multi-layer encapsulated bottom on the Ozeri pan, but they also function on all cooktops, even induction. The 10-inch B1 pan weighs almost 3 pounds versus the Tramontina's 2 pounds. making it heavier than our top selection. However, both All-Clad B1 pans are simple because of their outstanding balance and pleasantly rounded handles. They are built to last because of their exterior's tough hard enamel porcelain and robust aluminum construction. These components also have dual riveted, rubberized stainless steel handles to further increase their longevity. The Rachael Cucina hard enamel nonstick 12-piece cookware set offers saucepans, skillets, and more for preparing delectable, enduring meals while bringing earthy design and color to the kitchen. The modern rustic style of Rachael Cucina cookware collection, which she designed for warmth and convenience, lends a warm touch to every delectable meal and dining occasion. The pots and pans include the user-friendly, particularly and time-saving strategies for which Rachael is renowned. They are made with solid hard enamel porcelain exteriors and sturdy aluminum construction that supports quick, even heating. With a distinctive espresso-colored, PFOA-free nonstick that releases meals with ease, complements the shells, and is simple to clean. Her sense of color meets convenience. Rachael Ray is skilled at making cooking attractive, practical, and straightforward. Use the sauté pan to create salmon burgers and the large stock pot to make Rachael's potato, zucchini, and tomato soup. A complimentary nylon slotted turner and slotted spoon are also included to assist with meal preparation. The pots and pans have shatter-resistant glass lids that seal in heat and moisture, and rubberized stainless steel handles that are doubly riveted for increased strength. The cookware is suited for all stovetops except induction and is oven safe to 400 degrees. So that's all for today's video, guys. I hope you liked it. If you did, then please hit that like button, share, and subscribe to our channel.